Today, your total is just $60 for the backfill.
Oh, okay. But don't you have a senior discount today?
I do. Are you a senior?
Yes.
Can I see your ID real quick? Yeah, I need to.
I don't. Let me see. I don't think I brought it.
Well, yeah, I need your ID just to.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Why? How old are you? You 65 and up?
Yes.
Yeah. You don't look like it.
So
I
you're
need
not
some
going to give
kind.
me. Okay,
Yeah.
but I don't have my ID on me.
Yeah, I need some kind of like proof that you're a senior citizen.
Well, I'm telling you, I am.
Yeah, looks is deceiving. A lot of people might look senior citizen, but
Do you
they're
have a
like,
manager?
I don't. I booth rent, so I'm actually my own boss and my own manager.
Well, that's. So you're not going to give me the discount?
I can't because is there any way you can prove to me that you're a senior citizen?
I have 10 grandkids and a great granddaughter. How about if I show you the pictures?
Yeah, but that could be somebody's grandkids too. I just need your valid ID, and so I can validate.
What about my credit card?
No, credit card doesn't show your date when you were born and all that.
So you're not going to give me the discount?
I can't. Unless you want to come back and bring me your ID card, so at least I can validate for you. I just can't give you a discount just because.
Okay, then I'll
say
pay you
that
when
you're
I
a
come
senior.
back.
No, you're gonna pay now, and then when you come back,
But without my discount. So what? How come you don't have that written down somewhere?
Written what?
That I need a valid ID. You just said you have senior discount, but nothing on there says you need
We
a
had a
valid
couple
ID.
clients coming in here recently claiming that they're senior citizen and they're only like 60 years old. So
Look at my hands; they're old.
that's discriminating. I can't judge you by your hand and assume that you're 65 and a senior. I just can't do that. Sorry, but 60 is your total today.
That's ridiculous. So you're not going to give me a discount. You know what? I'm not going to give you a tip then.
Okay.
How about